Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Master Designs. Turns out I did some information and it was revealed that there really is a Shadow Lugia. Sorry for not showing that to you guys. But anyways, as it turns out, Shadow Lugia is a Pokemon that was only seen in Pokemon DX, a specialized game, and you can only get him in the Pokemon, and it's a special app that isn't even out anymore. I wonder if Shadow Lugia will be appearing in the series real soon, along with Shadow Mewtwo. I don't think I did Shadow Mewtwo yet, but I will soon. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? So, when drawing him, you must start at the eye. You must always start at the eye, people. Don't forget it. Otherwise, your drawings would get all loop-de-loop. Anyways, here's his head. If you haven't seen me draw Lugia yet, but then I'd be happy to show you the video real soon. Anyways, there's his head. Next up is his tongue. There's his neck. Okay, next up, here's his wing here. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw the spikes on his back. Okay, so next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw his stomach here. Here's his leg. Here's his other leg here. There we go. There's his wing. Here's his other leg here. And finally, you just gotta draw his tail. And done. That's how you draw a Shadow Lugia. Pretty impressive, don't you think? Anyways, truth be told, Shadow Lugia is, well, he's one of the Pokemon that was unrecognized in the Pokédex. The same is true for Shadow Mewtwo. I don't know where Shadow Lugia or Shadow Mewtwo came from, but, I feel like those two should be in the actual Pokemon games. They should be, if there's any Pokemon games out, they should be called Pokemon Darkness and Pokemon Shadow. And, we all know about the other games that came out, including the recent one, Sword and Shield. If you ask me, this Pokemon should be in the expansion pass. The same is true for Shadow Mewtwo. Hey, did you know that Shadow Mewtwo can Mega Evolve? There's his original form, and there's the Mega form. But, anyways, just let me know if you guys have any proof that Shadow Mewtwo and Shadow Lugia are actual Pokemon. But I'm sure you've seen the homemade cards that were seen online. So, that's all the time I have for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to tell your friends and family about this video, about this Pokemon that I just drew. Be sure to tell all your friends, and this is a message for Game Freak. I hope you guys... This is a message for Game Freak. Can you please put Shadow Mewtwo and Shadow Lugia in the next game? And possibly release the Pokemon card versions of it, please? Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll show you guys next. So, see you later, dudes. Love ya.